The problem I had with swapping out the Brinkley factory TV was there was these Canadian square bolts that were right here. But I went ahead and replaced them with 1-inch 5/16 roofing screws, self-tapping roofing screws. 1 inch. Use the first index of your finger and you'll see that they're 1 inch. Well, quit rolling and you'll see that they're one. Stop. They're 1 inch. This is 1 inch on your fingers. All right, and that's what those are, 1 inch. And let's see. Also, there it is. Well, anyway, 5/16. I just saw it as I put it down. Go easy. I had this on max power, stripped it out twice, and I realized what I was doing wrong. Well, anyway, put those in, and you can take out the old screws and then self-tap it. It goes in really easy. So I had to lower mine about an inch, so because it wouldn't close all the way. The lid was staying open, so I had to reset it. And, well, anyway, it took a while, and there you go. And Boise right here, Boise is watching a little TV. He's watching Grizzly Quest. Yeah, I don't know that channel's quite started yet, but there's some stuff on it. But all right, there it is. I want to say it wasn't hard, but it was. And the TV wasn't the lightest. This is the LG OLED. Super duper sharp. So, okay, and then I'm gonna work on the bedroom. But right now I just have it on the counter. So, okay, and then we'll work on the patio one.